Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some excellent fuel efficiency as well. And coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and freshly detailed so it's looking nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, where you have seating for three that can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have two fold-out cup holders, as well as a 12-volt and two USBs, so you can plug something in. You also have fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. And this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 11,619 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through information such as your fuel economy, distance to empty. That's all in your fuel economy there, but you can also look at your trip 1 and 2 information. That's your mileage, timer, and distance empty, and fuel economy for said trip, as well as a digital speedometer. You have your driver assist settings and general settings for features around your vehicle and your screen setup. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. And then above your screen, you have your traction control shut off, your hazards, and your auto start stop shut off. So when your vehicle's sitting idle, the engine will shut off to cut down on emissions and save you some fuel. And then moving down, you have your media controls and your climate controls, very simple. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, and on the right, you have a 12-volt power outlet. And then down below, you have another 12-volt power outlet with two USBs and a little shelf here for your device while it's charging, or whatever you want to do. It does also have an aftermarket trailer brake controller installed. And moving on to the column shifter, where you do have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector for normal, tow, haul, snow, wet, eco, and sport modes. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders, cubby, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And then you have another compartment underneath that for even more storage with some flip out cup holders like so, and a ton of room. So you can have some drinks while this seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wild. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.